Happy Friday! What's going on, y'all? It's Nick here with F.O.F, Financial Coaching LLC, and I'm here today to talk about what else? Money. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Hope you guys are enjoying your Friday. Man, it seems like the year is going by quickly already. It's almost March. I mean, wow. So what I want to talk to you guys about today, and I think it's something important, is overnight success. I think for some reason when it comes to our personal finances, when it comes to us trying to get the money that we want, whether it's for retirement, whether it's just to do fun things, I think that a lot of people and a lot of us, we just think that's going to come so quick. But I'm sorry, and I have to be honest with you, it doesn't work like that. I mean, for the most part, it's a slow journey. It's all about the small decisions that you make. I know I talk about this in my blog every so often, but man, sometimes I just come on people and I start talking with people and whatever it may be during a coaching session, whatever it may be, and it just seems crazy to me that they think just right overnight, boom, the success should happen, they should get there. You have to build the habits, and it takes time to build the right habits. It takes time to budget properly. It takes time to make wise decisions with money, because sometimes you make bad decisions, but when you learn from those decisions, that's what counts. But I'll even say this, it's much better and much wiser if you can learn from other people's mistakes, not just your own mistakes. So what I'm sitting here and trying to tell you, the best that I can, is it takes time. There's no such thing as an overnight success. Maybe one or two people, maybe it does happen, but those are outliers. That's not typically how things go. And so I want you to kind of get that out of your mind. So you got to work hard, you got to grind, you got to hustle, you got to be excellent, you got to be the best that you can be, what God has trusted you with. And that includes your finances, okay? So please budget, please take your time, put together a financial plan. If you need help, somebody like me would be happy to help you. You can go to my blog if you want to see more information that I have below for you all. And please go to my website at www.foffcoaching.com. Hope you guys took something from that. No such thing as overnight success. Work hard and do what you got to do, and choose faith over fear for your finances. Thank you.